Hi everybody, Kelly Driver here. Welcome to another video. This is my first video for 2022. Can't believe we survived another very strange year last year. I certainly hope that this coming year is a better year for you and for my family and I than the last 2 years have been. I'm really hoping that 2022 brings lots of fulfillment in our lives and love and happiness, and some holidays would be good. Being able to go somewhere would be fantastic. Anyway, here's my previous artwork that I did at the end of last year, end of 2021. That was my final piece, and I'm absolutely quite in love with this piece. So very different from my from other paintings, but I really like it. And today I'm going to do a 61 by 61 square canvas, and I want it to look like my inspiration, I should say, is from my splashes artwork that I did last year that sold before it was even dry. So that was quite funny. I really love that painting, and I've wanted to do another one like it ever since I did that one, and but I've decided that I'm going to do the dark base to give it a different feel. And so I've got heaps of paints. I feel like I've got a stack of paints mixed up. It's all going to be Amsterdam paints today. All my colours exclusively with Amsterdam, and I'm going to put some pearl colours in there too, so that will be lots of fun. So let's get cracking, let's get into it, and can't wait to see how we go. Thank you for joining me. So I'm just giving you a quick little just show of all the paints that I'm using today. And I've got them in groups as well of the plan that I've got in my mind. Over here is my Prussian blue mix base. It's not, I've got some other colours in there, as some black and I think some phthalo blue in there as well. So, and these are the pearl colours. We've got pearl blue, green, red and violet in there. So there is all the paints that we're about to use, all Amsterdam, as you can see. And let's get on with how I'm going to put this artwork together. I've just painted the sides because I didn't want to have to touch them up afterwards, and that often happens when you use a Prussian blue type colour. All right, okay, so we'll pour this paint, my Prussian blue mix, onto the canvas, and today I'm going to spread it out with a palette knife. I've decided. Whoa! Try something different. I'm not sure what will happen doing this, but I'm going to put my pearl colour on the bottom and see what that looks like. So I'm going to do puddles and then blow them out. So that's that's pearl red. Now I'm going to put gold yellow, quinacridone rose light, pearl blue, greenish yellow, and turquoise blue, pearl violet, quinacridone rose, and cobalt ultramarine, pearl green, azo yellow, and phthalo green. Okay, that's all my colours. I might just put a tiny bit of white on all of them because I don't want to lose my colours. Because of the dark background. So we'll just, I don't know what this is going to do. This is really quite an experiment here. Like my paintings always are, I never really know what's going to happen. Alright, so hopefully that will help with things not being too dark, just by doing a little splash. And now I'll just do okay. What do you reckon, everybody? How's it going? Do you think I'm doing a good job? We will soon find out. So I'm just going to pour a bit of paint around all of them to help flood the canvas. So the next thing I need to do is blow the paint over each one. Oh my gosh, I am in love. I am in love. Oh, it's just everything I hoped for has happened. It is just divine, absolutely divine. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Oh, and these pearl colors in there are just stunning. I think I can blow this up a bit more here. This one hasn't really amounted to much. I'm not sure why. That doesn't want to blow because there's not enough Prussian blue up here. Okay, let's have a little torch. There we go. I can blow that one. Right, so here we are for the final result. I'm so pleased with how this has turned out. If nobody else likes it, I'll be very happy to hang it on my wall because it's just a party of colours. It's like fireworks or something, which is quite timely, seeing that we just had fireworks going off, seeing it's only just the beginning of January, and a few people near me had illegal fireworks going off, and I thought it was wonderful. My partner didn't think it was that good, but I was happy. I love fireworks. So maybe I'll call this one my fireworks. And it's just beautiful. So thank you very much for joining me today. I'm Kelly Driver, and I will see you next time for another video. Bye for now.